Has all of that marketing that you've been doing in your business, has it just felt like confusing and overwhelming? And it's like some kind of like weird mind control experiment? That's because it is. Welcome to the marketing matrix. For years, we've been told to follow the rules of marketing. Create fear, scarcity, limitation, lack. People will buy. It's psychology, right? Does that sound familiar? Maybe this sounds familiar. There's only 3 spots left. The offer is going to close in 20 minutes. Grab your spot today. How's that feel? What if I told you that that's all an illusion? It's something somebody made up years ago because somebody started to buy something and now it's been pushed for decades. Everybody is just so used to it that they do it. But does that really feel aligned with your business? Does that really uplift people? Does that really have the impact that you're looking for? The truth is, marketing isn't about tricking people. It's about connecting. It's about being truly who you are in that authentic sense. And, well, it's really about being human. And if marketing is feeling a little bit like a chore to you, it's probably because you're playing by those old rules that were designed to keep you stuck. But what if you could market your business in a way that feels easy, aligned, and dare I say it, fun? How's that feel? Escaping the marketing matrix isn't about throwing your business into chaos. It's about unplugging from those old fear-based strategies and going to ones that are built on trust, connection, alignment, even some fun. So if you're ready to stop these fear-based strategies that have been handed to us over the decades, then I invite you to escape the marketing matrix with us. How's that feel?